what's up? Welcome to another video. My name is Stephanie and today I have an unboxing from Colibri Charms. So stay tuned to see what I got. All right, this is going to be just beautiful. I can already tell it's the new leaf collection from Colibri Charms and it will be going live on February 1st for you to order. And you can use code Stephanie10 for 10% off of your order. I will give you a link in the description. If you don't mind using that affiliate link, I would appreciate it. But let's go ahead and dig into this. So I'm gonna save this one for last because, well, I'm already undoing it. These are always my favorites from her because she puts these together. Try turning that off. She puts these together herself, you know, with all the beads and everything, and they're always so pretty. And let me show you how to put them on a planner. I have my mini right here. So she also sells these little extenders or little chains on the website, and you can get them in gold or silver. So one way you can do it is by just making a loop around your discs, and then you can just attach this to the little chain. Then you have a pretty dangly charm, or there are other ways. I don't know what I've done with my little bookmark type of insert that I made. But, you know, if you get this packaging from the Happy Planner, what I like to do is cut it, you know, cut this right here into a bookmark, and then just take a regular hole punch and punch a little hole at the top, and then you can clip charms to that. Snap it in your planner because it already has the disc punch for you, and then you have like a really cute little bookmark for your Happy Planner. Let me take this off, and then this one is really cute. It has like little fluffy, like dandelion fluffs in it. It's super pretty, and since it's clear, it'll pick up any colors that are behind it. Very, very cute. Right. So now let's look at these. We have they're sticker strips, but they're like having matching washi that goes with your kit. So you get a bunch of those. These are smaller ones over here. So for this one, you have some small ones, and you have like a medium size and then a thicker one in the middle. And you can get these in removable sticker paper as well. So we have some sayings here, some nice quotes. This "Oh Hello Spring" sticker is really pretty. Be brave enough to be bad at something new. Plant smiles, grow giggles. You got the Hortense, the little bird that is always ready to stick in your planner as well. I definitely need to add her to my spread when I do that. Then you have some watercolor splotches, really good for if you have these black clear quotes and you want to add some color to them. You can always put the quote on top of these watercolor splotches and it will make it whatever color you want. These numbers are really good for, I like the size especially for a dashboard, but sometimes I trim them a little bit and use them in my monthly, or if you have an undated planner, you can use it for your weekly, or if you just want to change up how the numbers look at the top of your planner, you can always just cover them up with these. Then you have days of the week, brush stroke, And this is in the script. All right, and this is a journal kit. So if you order the journal kit, you kind of get a sample of a lot of different stuff, plus these journaling stickers that are usually bigger or look like little post-it notes or little pieces of paper. Like you could journal on this too. And then you get some decorative stuff. You always get some of the washi strips and days of the week, as well as some bullets. So it's a nice little sample. All right, this is the New Leaf Torn paper stickers. Really pretty, I like these colors. And then you have some quarter boxes. The little guy is really good for relabeling sections, especially in a dashboard planner, if you want those sections to say something else. And then we have Happy Planner, standard size, classic size boxes. You can write on all of these that are colored as well. And then we have some square boxes, which are kind of my favorite size. It's nice because these have some decoration in them, but you also have room to write. And then these are kind of a newer addition to the shop. They are circle and long boxes. So she always has a little note here that says you can trim this, as short or as long as you want. It's designed to be extra long and trimmable. And then you have this rainbow colorful box. This is a little sample that she always sends of her removable sticker paper. Makes it really easy for making a spread. And you have some small images. Then these are the large images. I like the line art, especially this little like dandelion floof. And then spots, botanical spots. It's very abstract. They're kind of just like using those watercolor splotches, except you have a little flower in them as well. And then some extra large images, which are really nice when you have a big happy planner like I do. All right, so again, these will be available starting February 1st. And don't forget to use code Stephanie10 to get 10% off of your order. I'd really appreciate you using my link. And I'll just lay all this out so you can see it one last time. And I really appreciate you stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.